Yeah. Hello. Yeah, sorry about it always being so low.
Can I help in your video?
I bought my old charger.
Can I help in your video?
Sure, fine. If you ask me, what platform am I uploading? I'm on TikTok. Just search Julian2633. Yeah, I used to do YouTube, but I couldn't upload on.
Oh, wait, what? Does anybody want to make a corruption movie? Does anybody want to make a corruption movie?
I will.
Alright, join the code. Alright, so join the code. Join the code ABC, alright? Join the code ABC. A what?
Yo.
ABC, ABC.
Hold on. Who wants to see a firework? Who wants to see a firework?
ADC?
Black flash.
Is that two ABCs or eight?
Bro, it's part of
What's
the
the code?
Speed Force with how
He
fast
said
you
it's
pick that up.
so much. Oh, what's up? Hello. I was up in the fan. Oh, I didn't see you. Wait. We're not gonna be doing it yet. We need to get prepared, all right?
Can I just be like?
So I'm gonna be. All right.
Okay.
So,
Wait, do you want me to be
raise your hand
corrupted
if you
or
want to
me
be the
survivor?
shopkeeper of giving me a coffee or whatever.
Well, hold on. What is the movie
shopkeeper.
again? What is the movie again?
A corruption movie.
And it's gonna be on YouTube.
Does
or
it have
not?
like killing in it or something?
Nah. Wait,
Is it like
actually,
a
it's gonna be. Actually, we can do it at Campy. Wait, a corruption movie or a Campy case movie?
What is a corrupt? Wait,
Oh, I could
what do you
put
mean
some
by
on my
corruption
Why did I
movie?
do that years ago?
Like the guy that was selling free hot chocolate.
Oh,
and then
wait.
the guy
You know
takes
that
it.
movie Obsession? You know that movie?
Raise your hand if you want to do a canopy case move. Alright. I guess we picked it. It's gonna be canopy case. I added all of you guys. Guys, I was wondering if I could do a giveaway.
We're doing a cannibalization movie, whatever the fuck he said. Yeah, I have no idea what he said, so I'm just gonna go with it. Left on.
blue with the little kid hat, whatever it is.
I'm about to change my avatar.
I'm
No,
just
he's talking to me.
he
He's
said I could be a
talking to me,
monster.
dude.
He
He's
said
talking to me.
I could be a monster or something to be
Oh, cool.
for this movie. You gotta ask him, bro. I don't know. I wish I had this for my arm, for my other arm, because that has big ass paws. We're not doing a corruption movie.
Yeah, and we're not doing no crime.
We're doing a cannibalization movie, whatever the fuck he said.
Nothing.
I don't know what he said, bro.
He's your girlfriend, man.
Y'all look good for my monster outfit, brother. Yeah, but also he's gonna be like the one who's gonna be the speaking one. Like this is the disturbing case of. Or who's gonna be turning into a monster? Him or him? Oh, him. Alright, him. It's
Wait,
gonna be him.
wait. Do you have the skin? Do you have like the?
Scout Pug, are you my... Scout Pug, you're my friend.
I'm gonna change my eyes to make it like a monster.
Oh yeah, you should do like the white
Scout Pug, where are you?
Should do like the glowing eyes.
Right here. Yeah, he said you asked everybody, including me.
Ooh. Who's
I
this?
don't remember you.
So am I gonna be in the first scene? Am I gonna be in the first scene?
Yo guys, I don't know who I am. I don't know
The
who I
first
am.
scene is gonna be the one who's gonna be turning into the monster.
Gonna be me?
I'm gonna be a
That's gonna be me.
monster.
That's gonna be me. That's gonna be me.
Maybe you can make like a horror movie.
Oh yeah, that. But I'm a monster.
Like
this be my
first it
weapon?
starts as
Can
the
this be my
normal
weapon?
video. Like first it starts like a
problem, bro.
normal video, but these creepy dollars are like haunting me. Right?
Oh
Alright,
yeah, that.
Who's gonna be the hunter? Who's gonna be like the
Me.
stalker? Are you
I'll
gonna
be
be
the
the
hunter.
stalker? Alright, be like a creepy gorilla, like all black and with white eyes. Alright?
Oh yeah, that.
Like that.
I don't have
Do
white
I
eyes,
have to
but
change?
I
Do I have to
have
change my character? Do I have to change my?
Clearly, people forget.
Yo, is this a sword or a dagger?
Because inside the selling machine, it's because inside the selling machine is it's like a black monkey inside that tries, and they get it behind so I can like do like a behind schemes and like doing stuff.
You stink. Sorry. Ready?
Alright.
Wait, we need to start this. All right, we need to start this.
Wait, we lost.
I'm gonna check out black with the white eyes. All right,
I'm gonna check out black. No, take all of your cosmetics off. Take like all your cosmetics off because we're gonna be able to see you really clearly. Yeah. Yeah, I guess so.
I live here.
Alright, black with the white eyes. Go into selling machine and you're gonna be able to do it. You're gonna be able to see me. I have glowing eyes. I know, but we're gonna pretend that we're not gonna be able to see you. We're gonna pretend that we're not gonna be able to see you. Alright?
No! Bro!
My
I
sword.
think I accidentally pressed the button. I think I accidentally pressed the button.
Sword was in it.
He killed her!
You're fine. I didn't know what was gonna happen. I didn't know I pressed it.
I need to run this in.
Hey, stop. Let me go in. Oh.
gonna kill you. No, not like that. Not like that.
Alright, we need to repair.
Can I get a weapon though?
We don't need a weapon.
You can have like $3 dollar.
Okay, wait.
Alright, black with the white eyes. Black with the white eyes. You're gonna be like this. You're gonna be like this in other episodes.
After, wait, I'm gonna kill someone. Whenever someone lets me come to check out, I'm gonna kill them, okay?
Alright.
Then I find
But also, if somebody is doing a bad job, then maybe I can get them out of the video.
Yeah, I can.
I am at low health. I would stop.
Okay, Alright, we need to switch the video. Right?
Flip the gamble. Who has revolver?
Guys, everybody come. Everybody come.
Except for black
Anyone
and
have
white.
revolver?
Dupers,
Oh,
can we,
Who are you?
oh. Well, I want to get money. I want to get moolah. Yeah? Yeah, I am a real YouTuber.
He's a fake one. I'm just kidding.
Oh, wait. Ah. Alright, wait. Okay, there. Wait. Alright. Everybody? I don't know. Alright, let's start. What's guys? So we're gonna be playing Animal Company, and today this is my first ever video. So we're gonna be doing build battles. So maybe we're gonna do a base build. So maybe alright, we're gonna do it in Creative Studios, alright? Let's go, guys. Okay, guys,
Where was Creative Studios again?
Never mind.
Oh,
Wait, now I know. Now I remember. I don't need any.
help. Alright. Alright, guys. Alright. So you're gonna be going, you're gonna be building over here,
I don't have anything to build.
and maybe you are gonna build there by the green screen, and you
How
are
am I gonna
gonna
build?
build over here, alright? And maybe I'm going to build somewhere else.
I'm actually going to build with I'm going to build with him.
I'm yellow, right?
You can use that.
Thing. Over here.
Yeah, I don't have those.
No, we don't need to copy everybody's build. What?
Teams.
No, you guys have to build.
Pod.
Alright. Alright, guys, so.
Alright, Pod. So maybe. Alright, so I pretend that I stopped building and I'm checking it out, and I'm just saying that everybody sucks. Alright.
I thought this was supposed to be a movie.
I know. No.
Yeah,
I swear it's not gonna be sucking. Oh yeah. No, like it's gonna be a horror movie. It's like a horror movie.
Then what are we doing?
Okay.
Hey, why don't we
Like
I
pretend
switched
like
spot.
no, like
I switched
no,
my
like that.
spot. I switched my spot.
Alright.
Like
It's
this
behind
creepy
this couch. It's
scholar
behind that couch
following
right
us.
It's behind this couch right here.
Alright. I'm not saying that they suck. I just pretend, right? Sorry, can you call my field?
How you doing there?
Any
How
response?
you doing?
Hello?